Hello and good afternoon to Rachel and the team over at Baker Electric. My name is Josh Nelson here at Midwest Valley Marketing. I wanted to get this video sent over to you guys as I promised, showing you how you guys can get more customers coming to your website and profit more every single month. A few of the things we're going to go over is your guys' website, as well as some of the SEO side of things, and just a quick glimpse at the Google My Business portion of where you guys sit online. So with that being said, we're going to jump right into your guys' website analysis here. You guys have a great website. It's got some really good bones, but one thing that it's lacking is content. Google loves content, all the, words, phrases, everything. We want to have good keyword-rich content all across our website. The average home page should have anywhere between 1,000 to 1,500 words, and I would tell you guys maybe have 300. So adding more content is huge, and how we figure out what kinds of content that we want to have is by finding our keywords. And one way we can do that is using this tool here. It's called Ahrefs. This is a paid tool. There is free ones out there, but this is what we like to use. So what we do is we actually take your guys' URL from your website and we put it in here. And it gives us all this information. This is also our SEO side of things, which is backlinks, referring domains. But for right now, we're just going to focus on keywords. And we can go into this section right here and figure out what keywords you guys currently have in your website and how you're ranking for those keywords, right? Keywords are what people are searching in Google when they're looking for your guys' services. So I see a lot of your keywords are just your name. That's not all terribly bad, but unless people know who you are, they're never going to find you, right? So we want electricians, Des Moines, Iowa. There's 150 search volume. You guys are only in 18th position. You guys are actually losing customers every single month because you're not in the first page and people can't find your website and your services. So Tell is using your. So what we're going to do is the same thing. We're going to copy their URL. Bring it back into Ahrefs. We can compare and contrast on the keywords. Same thing with the backlinks and the referring domains, right? That's the SEO side of it. We can just have what these guys have, what you need more of, what you already have together, and that's kind of how you can grow, is figuring out what the good, the big top dogs are doing. You can kind of copy and paste that, right? So same thing. These guys are ranking number 1 for their name. There's 21,000 search volume for that. Great for them. But they're ranking better for things like electrical repairs near me, right? They're 5th position. There's 3,500 search volume every single month. So those are some keywords that you guys probably want to start to target and figure out which keywords are out there for you guys. Another way we can do it is with the backlinks, right? It's more of a kind of behind the scenes thing that we don't ever really see going on, but we know that we need to have more backlinks and more referring domains. So you guys had a couple hundred here, almost to 1,000 backlinks and a couple hundred referring domains. And I'm going to show you with Mr. Electric of what's possible being in number 1 position, right? And what it takes to be in number 1 position. So these guys currently have 163,000 backlinks, 5.6 thousand referring domains, and thousands of keywords as well, right? They have a very big site. They have lots of sites. So this number isn't specific to Iowa, but just as a website in general, right? There is the potential there. Same thing as the keywords. We can go in and kind of figure out what backlinks that they have and what backlinks. So we're going to here quick on the Google My Business portion of Google. So when we use the keywords, electric or electricians Iowa or near me, right? For you guys, it's going to be local. Near me is going to work. We're going to see what pops up, right? So I'm going to search electricians, Iowa. And the first thing I get is Google Ads, right? This is right here. You can see it's got the ad. So obviously ads are always a good thing to do as well. But first things first is this Google My Map Pack, right? This is what I was talking about. We want to be in the top 3 positions of this. This draws anywhere from 80 to 90% of traffic online, right? People don't want to go far. They're lazy and they just want to click the first one with the best reviews. So one thing you guys want to do is catch up on these reviews. We can kind of look here and figure out where you are. So right here, we got Baker Electric, right? You guys are a few down, got 51 reviews, and we noticed that the top one had 411, 600 reviews. So boosting your reviews is huge online. It shows trust within your customers. But with that being said, guys, I know it's a lot of information. I really hope this helps. If you guys have any questions, comments, concerns in regards to this video, feel free to reach back out to me. Again, I hope this helps. You guys have a great day.